I bear witness that there is no God but Allah and Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, is Allah's last prophet, messenger and servant. Hello and welcome to all of you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Allah says, describing Satan for him, like he's warning us from Satan not to let him betray us, just how he betrayed Adam and Eve when they were in heaven. Allah says, but Satan caused them to slip out of it and removed them from that condition in which they had been. And we said, go down, all of you, as enemies to one another, and you will have upon the earth a place of settlement and provision for a time. Like Allah created Adam. After that, he created Eve. Allah created Adam from nothing, from just mud. And he said, be, and he became human. So one day, Adam was lying down. Then it happened that Allah created. He woke up and he saw Eve beside him. So Allah created Eve from the left side of Adam. So they were in heaven. Allah warned them. He said, this pattern or this certain particular tree, don't go near it. If you go near it, you'll be disobedient to me. Allah told them that. Adam and Eve, he warned. So Satan went, and he knows that if they eat from that tree, they'll be disbelievers. So they'll be disobedient to Allah. He went and told them, he said, if you eat from this tree, you will live longer in heaven. Nobody gonna kick you. You're not gonna go nowhere. You're not gonna, you're gonna stay everlasting in heaven. So they wanna stay everlasting. And he tried first with Adam because he's a man. He was very cautious. But then the woman, he didn't listen to Satan when Satan was trying to influence him. But then he didn't get through to Adam. He couldn't get through to him to eat from the tree. He went to Eve, Adam's wife, and told her that if you eat from this tree, you're going to stay forever. So Allah, when they done that, they ate both of them from that tree. Allah made them both naked. They became naked. They start taking leaves from the trees and cover themselves. And then Allah sent them to earth. He said, go to earth, both of you and your husband, Adam and Eve, plus Satan. Allah sent them 3 of them. He said, both of you, your family, you human being, Adam and Eve and their families. That means us till the day of judgment. And Satan with his families, we're going to be enemies. So you know what enemies do, yeah? They will do the worst to trap the other enemy. So that's what Adam, we and Satan, we are carrying on. Satan